Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you a super unique and amazing ideas of crochet coasters. Most of the designs are of fruit coasters, but you will see flower coaster designs, and this one is heart shaped coaster. So different kinds of designing ideas are included in this video. So just watch it till the end to get all ideas, because in this single video you will find almost 35 plus ideas which are all really unique and different from each other. Look at these color schemes. Amazing color schemes are used in these designs. You will see all types of color scheme used in these designs. You will see light color schemes, you will see medium color schemes, and you will see high contrast color schemes in these coasters as well. So you will find something of your liking, and you can see the patterns. Different types of patterns are used to make them, and especially these fruit shaped coasters are looking really attractive and gorgeous. And because these are smaller sized coaster designs, so this is a super fast DIY idea of crochet project as well. So if you want to make something out of leftover yarn of a bigger project, you can go for these beautiful coasters, because you can see 2 to 3 contrasting color schemes are used in most of these designs, and even a single color design is made with a very less yarn, so you can easily make them with the help of leftover yarn of different projects, and you can make them in different contrast color schemes as well, like this one, apple shaped coaster made in full red, full green, and then white colors. So that's in this way you can make a set of coasters with leftover yarn using different color schemes. So take a screenshot and make it by yourself at home if you know crochet work. Otherwise you can also purchase them from etsy.com or Amazon, and I also upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel. So if you are interested in learning crochet work, you will also find crochet coaster videos, beginner friendly pattern videos, and some doilies videos are also available on my channel, which can be converted into a smaller sized coaster with the same pattern just by reducing the number of rounds in the circle. So my personal favorite is this flower shaped coaster. This looks amazing, and it is mostly made into contrasting color schemes. You can make it in a larger size or a smaller size, and this design is specifically a little bit larger in size than other coasters as well. So this shape is really attractive to me, and I hope you're gonna love it too. Take a screenshot of it and make it by yourself at home, and if you are interested in tutorial video, do let me know in the comments.